Hey,
Grinch.
you want the Grinch one?
Yes.
Oh, that one is Mum's. Mum's got Paw Patrol.
Yes.
Awesome. And what do you have, Cody?
That's it.
Wow.
That's it. Look.
Yes?
I got the Grinch.
Yeah, show me. Oh, good face of the Grinch.
Grinch kids. Yay!
Please subscribe.
This is my Johnny. Wow. I can help you.
Alright, help Cody. Ooh, nice pop. Awesome. Cool, let's have a look. What have we got there? We've got the Grinch, and then we've got some other characters there.
Look, this is his dog.
Oh, he's got a dog there.
Yeah.
And then he's got a big red couch. Cool stickers. Look, that's a sneaky. Look there. Alright, show me sneaking like the Grinch. Show me. Oh, is that how he sneaks? Do like sneaking. Yeah.
What is what?
Oh, that's him sneaking. Very good. Alright, what else have you got? So Cody's opening some.
You got gummies.
Wow! Wow, Cody, show me. Awesome! Gummy snakes.
I want this. This is puzzle. I love puzzle.
Awesome. Awesome. Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
It's a mix.
Wow! That's awesome, Cody. Who have you got there? A puzzle with Chase and one of the girls.
On a sky.
Sky? Oh, she's called Sky.
Now.
Cool, I know how to fix it. We've got to move the pieces.
I did it.
Yeah. Very good.
Well,
Move the
that's
pieces.
what I got, kids.
Mm.
I got gummies too. All these snakes.
Awesome.
Look, you got this.
Cool, what's that?
Chase.
Oh, a Chase badge. Awesome. Look, it's a Chase badge.
Wow.
And what's that?
Wow.
Oh, awesome,
That
Cody.
is Rocky.
Rocky, awesome Rocky. I think it's a magnet. It's a Rocky magnet. How cool.
What is this? What colors?
Different colored snakes.
Yeah.
Yum.
That is
Can I have one? Have I been a good girl this Christmas? Oh, thanks. What about my own?
Look, that is
Swap. Swap. Thank you. I'll open this for you. Thank you. Look at these gummy snakes. I'm gonna eat this yummy gummy. Wow.
I'm gonna spin it.
Awesome.
Eat them.
Puzzle, spinny top, some magnets, some stickers, some gummy snakes.
I don't have some magnet.
You didn't get a magnet? Only Cody got a magnet?
I got stickers though.
Cool.
Christmas stickers. I love Christmas.
Awesome. Yummy-licious. Yummy gummies.
Oh, you know what needs to come?
Yeah, you want to get toothless?
This is.
Mm.
We also eat some of my gummy.
Yum, yum. Oh, he loves it. You can tell he's lighting up for it. He loves his gummies. Oh, he loves that. You can tell he's talking.
That's his favorite color on his eyes. Green, huh?
Yeah, that's right. I think Mum needs another one. It was so delicious. I already ate it. Oh, you mean I got my own stocking? Awesome. Okay, you gonna empty it for me? What's falling out? What's falling out? Wow. Wow, two.
You got beans, super good. And you got a chase badge and you got a spinny top too.
Awesome. Chase badge and a spinny top. And my stickers. Where's my stickers? Are those my stickers? Let's have a look. I'll show everyone.
I want all your stickers.
You want my stickers?
I want Suma.
Okay, I'll share. Let's have a look. Where?
I want
Who's who?
Suma.
That's Sumo?
He's a water one. He's a water pup.
Oh, it's a water pop. So that's Suma. That's Chase. Ah, there's Rubble on the side.
Yeah.
There's Marshall at the top. That's cool. Where's Everest? She's not there.
Yeah. That is a Paw Patrol.
Who's this one?
Sky.
That's Sky. And there's Rocky. Awesome. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Yes, that's Chase. That's right. Who's that one? Marshall.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right. You like these, Cody?
Yes. Oh, what's it now? You got one.
Which one's your favorite? You like... Who do you like?
Yes.
You like Chase. He's your favorite. Yes. Look, I got jelly beans. Yum, yum.
Super
Pink and yellow. I've been super good from Santa. If I got 2 packets of jelly beans. Oh, you guys, what did you guys get in your surprise stockings?
It is gummy snakes.
Gummy snakes. Yum. You guys are super lucky too.
Oh, there's a Grinch. Why?
It's a Grinch keyring.
I'll even install.
Awesome. Let me have a look.
It's Max. His song is Max.
Okay. So you got the Grinch on one side. And then you've got
He's dog.
his dog on the other side.
It's Max.
Cool. Max?
Call him Max.
Okay, and that's the key ring.
This is my bag. You can put it on me.
Yeah, okay. I can help you.
We do an angry one.
Are you trying to do an angry smile?
Yeah.
Like the Grinch?
No.
Let me see. Let me see if the faces match. That's good. That's a good impersonation.
Now I'm a Grinch guy. I'm a Grinch guy.
You're a Grinch guy?
Oh, I'm your Grinch guy.
You got your Grinch badge on?
Yes, and he is my boss.
He's your boss?
Yes. I do all his stuff.
Yeah, you work for the Grinch now.
Because I got his badge. And to take your gummy hat. Oh, because the Grinch say it hat.
What does the Grinch say?
I can steal your gummy.
Did it? 1, 2, 3. Paw Patrol versus the Grinch. Spinning top. 1, 2, 3, go!
No, I use this and you do.
That one? Okay, ready? Grinch versus Paw Patrol. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, looks like Paw Patrol's still spinning, so Paw Patrol's winning! Yes! Paw Patrol won the spinning top challenge. Putting Grinch on his face. You're putting the Grinch on his belly.
That's my thing.
2, Toothless didn't like it. He wants a friendly sticker. Maybe you can have Max the dog. Maybe you can have the dog. Awesome.
Mommy, I can have Suma. I love Suma. He's my favorite Paw Patrol.
Cool.
Yeah, I can't. He's my favorite. He will go with a toy. He loves sports. I'm getting another Suma. I love Suma. I got all stickers. What is mine? You need to choose mine. You need to see mine.
Okay,
No,
cool.
you saw it.
We got Rubble, Suma, Rocky.
Honey from this can.
Yep.
Honey for
Paw Patrol sign.
Yes, honey for
Sky.
That's
Cool.
it. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.